Welcome to the Lean Six Sigma world, your ultimate destination for mastering Lean Six Sigma. In this video, we will explore some interesting facts about lean manufacturing. We will also explore 8 wastes of lean, that is downtime, essential lean tools, benefits of lean manufacturing and applications in industries. But before we dive in, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And hit that notification bell so that you never miss our power-packed videos. Let's get started. So, what is lean manufacturing? Lean manufacturing is a systematic approach to improving efficiency by eliminating waste in production processes. It focuses on reducing non-value-added activities to enhance productivity, quality, and customer satisfaction. Developed from the Toyota Production System, TPS, lean manufacturing applies principles like continuous improvement, Kaizen, just-in-time, JIT, production, and standardized work. The primary goal is to maximize value while minimizing waste. There are 8 wastes, which is expressed as downtime, and this indicates defects, overproduction, waiting, not utilizing people, transportation, inventory, motion, and extra processing. Lean manufacturing emphasizes a pull system where production is based on customer demand rather than pushing products into the market. Some tools involved in lean manufacturing are 5S, Kaizen, TPM, Kanban, JIT, VSM, Poka-Yoke, etc. What are the benefits of lean manufacturing? Lean manufacturing benefits include reduced lead time, lower costs, improved product quality, and increased efficiency. It enhances customer satisfaction by delivering products faster with fewer defects. Some applications include industries such as automotive, healthcare, aerospace, and electronics apply lean principles to streamline operations. In conclusion, implementing lean requires cultural change, strong leadership, and commitment to continuous improvement. Digital transformation, automation, and Industry 4.0 technologies are integrating with lean principles for further enhancements. Lean thinking extends beyond manufacturing to services, logistics, and supply chain management. Lean principles help businesses achieve sustainable growth and long-term profitability. And that's a wrap. So you now understand what is lean manufacturing? And why this is important to understand for the growth of any organization. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. We would love to hear from you. Do not forget to subscribe to the Lean Six Sigma world and turn on the notification button so that you do not miss our upcoming powerful videos. Let us know what type of videos you want to watch in the coming times on the Lean Six Sigma topics. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned because we have more exciting Lean Six Sigma insights coming your way. Thanks for your valuable time, and I will see you in the next powerful video.